Hey guys, so currently I have a Muffler Delete on the Trail Boss. I mentioned in another video that I've lost gas mileage. I love the way it sounds. I'm really curious about this Borla Atak. So I just bought it about a week ago and it came in. So I went with the crate muffler. So I went with part number 400-823. And what these go by is the displacement. 327, that's the number that we're looking at, because this truck, the displacement is 325. So pretty close. Again, I reached out to Borla and they said, yeah, you can try that. That's gonna be the closest muffler that they would recommend. Well, I'm not gonna say they even recommended it, but they want you to buy the $2,000 kit, but you can easily just use this muffler and probably get around the same sound that you're gonna get for $2,000. This was only $250. So I'm getting that installed tomorrow, and we'll see how she sounds. I'll definitely post a video of that. I did have a Borla Pro XS muffler on this truck before I cut the muffler off, but it was too quiet. It had a deep tone, but it was just way too quiet. Muffler Delete sounds really good, but I feel like I lost a lot of gas mileage. So we're gonna see if the Borla Atak, maybe it'll sound a lot better as far as tone, but I think it's definitely going to be quieter than a Muffler Delete, obviously. Yeah, I'll definitely post a video on how she sounds coming soon. On my way to the muffler shop, here's one last cold start with the Muffler Delete. The next morning, and I've got the Atak on, crate muffler, and it's time for a cold start, first cold start. So I haven't noticed much difference in sound. Biggest thing I noticed so far is I feel like the throttle response is better. And I feel like I have power back. So I feel like cutting the muffler off, actually I lost a little bit of power. So, but there you go. Borla Atak crate muffler.